students, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Welcome in SST class day 1. Today we are going to start lesson 5, the Southern Plateau. Students, as you already know that India has different landforms or natural regions like the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Southern Plateau, the coastal plains and islands. Now, today we are going to start the next physical feature of India, that is the Southern Plateau. It is also known as the Deccan Plateau. Now I am going to start introduction of the Southern Plateau. Students, first of all, plateau means high flat tableland with rocky and uneven surface. So children, the Southern Plateau is located to the south of the northern plains. It is triangular in shape and is surrounded by hill ranges. Let's discuss the big picture of this lesson. Location and land, the Central Highlands, Chota Nagpur Plateau, the Deccan Plateau, life in the Southern Plateau, under which we will read about the following states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Now today's topic is location and land, the Central Highlands. So children, at the end of the today's topic, you will be able to know about the Southern Plateau. Let's discuss the terms of today's topic. Number 1, plateau. High flat tableland with rocky and uneven surface. Number 2, rivers. Stream of water flowing from higher ground level to lower ground level. Number 3, waterfalls. Water falling from great height. Now let's start reading. Location and land. The Southern Plateau is the oldest part of India. Plateau means high flat tableland with rocky and uneven surface. It lies to the south of the northern plains. So students, what is the location of the Southern Plateau? Southern Plateau lies to the south of the northern plains. It is triangular in shape. So, what is the shape of the Southern Plateau? Southern Plateau is triangular in shape. A large part of India is covered by this plateau. The land here is rocky and uneven. Rocky means stony. Uneven means unequal. It is surrounded by hills on all sides. Surrounded means encircled. So students, in simple words, the Southern Plateau is located to the south of the northern plains. It is triangular in shape. It is the oldest part of India. Here the land is rocky and uneven and are surrounded by hills on all sides. Now let's read further. The plateau is surrounded by Aravalli Hills in the northwest, Rajmahal Hills in the northeast, Eastern Ghats in the east, Western Ghats in the west. Now students, see this map. Aravalli Hills in the northwest, Rajmahal Hills in the northeast, Eastern Ghats in the east, and Western Ghats in the west. Now let's read further. The rivers here flow with great speed, creating waterfalls on their way. Rivers means stream of water flowing from higher ground level to lower ground level. Waterfalls means water falling from great height. River Narmada divides this plateau into the Central Highland in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. Now students, I will explain you this paragraph with the help of map. See students, River Narmada divides the southern plateau into the central highland towards north and the Deccan plateau towards the south. Here the rivers flow with great speed. On their way, they form waterfalls. Now, next topic is Central Highlands. Let's read. This includes the Aravalli Hills in the northwest, Vindhya Range in the south, and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. So, students, name the hills that surround the southern plateau. The hills that surround the southern plateau are the Aravalli Hills and the Rajmahal Hills. The Malwa Plateau lies in the center between Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills. So students, what is the location of the Malwa Plateau? The Malwa Plateau lies in the center between Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills. The rivers of this region are Chambal, Betwa and Son. Region means area. They flow towards the north to join the rivers Ganga and Yamuna. This region is rich with black soil, and so crops like cotton and sugarcane are grown here. Madhya Pradesh and a part of Rajasthan lie in this region. Gwalior, Indore and Bhopal are the important cities of this region. Now I will explain the Central Highlands through these pictures. The Central Highlands are surrounded by the Aravalli Hills towards the northwest, the Vindhya Range towards the south, the Chota Nagpur Plateau towards the east, and the Rajmahal Hills towards the northeast. The Malwa Plateau lies in the center. Many rivers of the Central Highlands join the Yamuna and the Ganga from the south. Chambal, Betwa and Son are a few of these rivers. The Chota Nagpur Plateau covers Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northeastern Chhattisgarh. The region has large deposits of coal and other minerals. This region is rich with black soil, and so crops like cotton and sugarcane are grown here. Gwalior, Indore and Bhopal are the important cities of this region. I hope students, today's topic is clear to all. So your homework is reread today's topic and revise terms. Thank you.